Hey guys, so simplifying fractions. Not so simple, a little bit complicated, but if you follow some very distinct steps, you'll master it. You'll be fine in no time. I have a problem here. You might get this answer, 5/3. I know that I can't leave that as my final answer because my numerator has a greater value than my denominator. Math doesn't like that. So we're going to fix it. And we're going to change it with the pulling out the holes. Autumn and I were just talking, and we figured this out as a way to represent it. So I'm going to come over here. I think you can see me just fine. I'm first going to represent my 5 with some bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I am going to see how many groups of 3 I can pull out of here. Okay? So first of all, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to circle it. I have pulled out 3 groups of 3. Okay? I have pulled out these 3. I have group, there's 3. I'm using 3/3 to represent that. I have 2 left over. Can I pull out another group of 3? I can't. I only have 2 left over. So I'm going to say that is 2/3. All right? Remember, if I don't like a number written the way that it's written, I can write it in a different way and make it help me solve the problem easier. Now, I know that 3/3 is equivalent to 1. My answer is 1 2/3. I can't simplify 2/3 anymore because they don't have a common factor. 2 and 3 have no factor that they share together. Okay? Let's try another one. Here is 7 halves. What's the first thing I'm going to do? I'm going to represent the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? It's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to use halves as my fractional equivalent of 1. How many groups of 2 can I pull out? There's 1 group, 2 halves. I still can do 2 more. 2 more, 2 halves. I still have 2 more, 2 halves. Can I pull out another 2? I can't. I only have 1. That equals 1 half. Now I know these are all the fractional equivalent of 1. So I have 1, 2, 3. My answer is 3 and 1 half. And I can check that. Here's 1 group, here's 1 group, here's 1 group. Here's the poor little 1 that's left over right there. Okay? This is pulling it out with the whole numbers. You can also solve it this way. You could say 7 divided by 2. How many groups of 2 are in 7? Closest I can get is 3. 2 times 3, 6, 1. My remainder is my numerator. Fraction bar goes in. My divisor becomes my denominator. My answer is 3 and 1 half. Either way works. If you like this way, that's great. If this way works for you right now, use it. But do this first, then try to do it this way, because as we get into bigger numerators, this becomes cumbersome. It doesn't become efficient anymore. This becomes the most efficient way. Okay, so let's try one more. And this one is 14/4. 14/4. What am I going to do when I start? I'm going to make 14 slashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is just a scaffold. This is just a scaffold to get me to see what I'm doing, okay? I'm going to pull out groups of 4, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a group, and I write them down. Can I pull out another group of 4? Yeah, I have room. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I pull out another group of 4? I certainly can. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I pull out another group of 4? I can't. I only have 2 left. So I have 2/4. That means here's my 1, 2, 3. This equals 3 and 2/4. My problem here, though, you guys, is 2 and 4 share a factor. 2 and 4 both share the factor of 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 2. If my numerator and my denominator share a factor, I can simplify even further. So I'm going to write it as its factors instead of its value. This is its value. These are its factors. 2 times 2. Once I see my shared factors, they cancel each other out. I don't need them anymore. So my answer becomes 3 and 1/2. Okay? If I look at this in the other way, the way that will be to you, it will be more efficient. It just might not be right now. If I look at it in the other way, I would say 14 divided by 4. Okay? How many groups of 4 are in 14? 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 subtract 2 is 2. My 2 becomes my numerator. My 4 becomes my denominator. I have this exact same problem right there. It's the exact same answer. It's just 2 different roads to get to the exact same answer. Okay? I want you to give it a try, practice, text me, call me, email me. See you later.